Hey guys, welcome back to another recommended tutorial here with Azadeen. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to factory reset your Samsung device easily in few steps. Welcome back. A factory reset is a way to restore your device to its original state as it was when you first bought it. This can be useful if you are having problems with your device or if you want to sell it or give it away. As we said, we'll be using the factory reset option provided within the device options without using the advanced one, which is the hard reset Samsung device, which is an advanced option that you can check in our tutorials in the links below. We highly recommend before you factory reset your device to make sure to back up your data. This includes your photos, videos, contacts and other important files. You can back up your data to your computer, a cloud storage service, or a micro SD card. If you are having problems with your device, you can try doing a soft reset first. A soft reset is a way to start your device without losing any data. To do a soft reset, hold down the power button and the volume up at the same time until you see the Samsung logo. If you are having problems after doing a factory reset, you may need to proceed with a hard reset try. That being said, let's head on to work. Great, so first of all you turn on your device if it is powered off. Unlock the pattern if you have already set a pattern for your device. If you forgot your pattern, you can check our next tutorial, which will be showing you how to hard reset your device without the need of the pattern that you have. Great, here we still have the pattern, so no problems. Great, that's the home page. From the home page we scroll down from the top and hit the gear or the settings. Cool. We scroll down until we find advanced general management, that one. Great. Also scroll down until you find reset, which is in here, so just hit reset. Cool. Here you have different options. You can reset all the settings. This will reset all the settings in your phone except security, language, accounts, personal data and setting download. Don't need this one. Also you can reset the network settings, the Wi-Fi, the mobile data or the Bluetooth. And the last option in here, which is to reset the accessibility options or settings that you have already modified. What we need is the factory data reset, which is this one. This will erase all data, will be erased from your device, including Google accounts, system app data setting, download app, etc. All your accounts which are listed in here, Gmail accounts, Facebook, X, etc. Some apps will also be deleted by default. Some of them will be reinstalled as default or erased at all. Cool. You can still have the option to back up your device by using the Smart Switch app by Samsung. You can check our tutorial on how to use it and back up your data in order to transfer it to a new device without any problems. So it will allow you to back up contacts, messages, apps and almost everything in your mobile and restore it without any hassle. Great, so here we'll be choosing reset. Let's hit reset. Next you will need to re-enter the pattern. A message will appear which will you need to confirm. All your personal data, information and downloaded apps will be erased. We can restore the SD card with the app as we have said. Good. So here just hit delete all. and as you can see, the phone is shutting down. Also make sure that you have enough power, otherwise charge your mobile before proceeding with these steps. Cool. So just let it proceed with the different steps. Now it is erasing. Restarting. It may take a few minutes, so just be patient until it finishes. Do not try to interfere. Great, almost finished. Cool, it has finished, and as you can see here, you have the welcome screen. Now you can set your mobile and proceed. Start. Just agree to the terms. Agree also. We'll skip. You can check our tutorial in which we show you how to skip the Wi-Fi settings. As you can see here, it is not loading. And the setup, skip Wi-Fi. We do not need to copy any data, don't copy. The Google services, you can use location, put off. Users off. Installing apps, just accept. Can use patterns, or you can skip for now. Let's hit skip. You need to wait few seconds. Creating your Samsung account. For now we can just skip. Here there are the different features you can benefit from, but here we'll be skipping. You can set it later. And voila, you are all set. Just hit finish. And your phone is ready to be used without any problems, without any software or even PC, as new. And now you are free to use your phone as you like, whether you want to set your Google account. Of course, if you want to use the Play Store or any other Google applications, you must log in into your Google account or create a new one. And that's it. With this we have reached the end of this tutorial. Hope that was helpful. If you still have any problems, please write them down below and we'll come back to you as soon as possible. And try not to use any third-party softwares which may damage your mobile phone. Keep tuned for our next tutorials for more tips and hacks like this. Till then, this is your host Izzadeen. Peace.